So I just finished watching Nature Boy's latest video. I'll leave a link to it in the description. Jesus Christ, bro, it just fucked me up. He said that I'm here. I came from a cell to fucking beat the cancer. I'm here to fucking make the change. I'm immune. I'm a fucking immune cell. It's fucking. It fucks with my mind, bro, because I'm literally sick. And I literally understood literally everything he said about the phlegm, about Mexicans eating fruit like snacks, and just fucking the whole ability to hold on to Christ, to create the Christ conscious, instead of just hearing it from someone else. Well, not to create, but to create it by getting in tune with nature and receiving it and just reflecting it. And but for it's not even like, but for you to do that, you need to get in tune with nature. You need to. Well, I'm talking out loud to myself. It's fucking me up, bro. Cause fuck, I'm in coma. This is endgame. This is the fucking endgame, bro. I was fucking jerking off and getting high, fucking almost for fucking 3 years straight. Didn't bring me nowhere. Yeah, I'm doing this. Being intense. Being fucking. You know what really gets to me? After we die, what's being played back to us, and how what you see is just a tape recorder of your life. I'm afraid that what I see is gonna be fucking something that I don't like, and then something that I can't stop from playing. And I feel like that would just be my fucking torture meant in hell. Sorry, I really thought about fucking replaying the same day, replaying the same torture by repeating the same actions again. This world is symbolic. Holy shit, bro. Fucking Christ, bro. Bro, I made a hell for myself. And I did it fucking unconsciously. How do I know? Motherfucker, I wake up to it. Every day for fucking 3 months. 3 years, I mean. Well, I didn't find Nature Boy until like senior or before senior year. This is fucking me up, bro. That would really fuck me up though. How our food, fucking focusing on the wrong shit. How our food is. We can't even get the right information, even if it's organic fucking shit from Mexico, because it came from the Mexico constellation of just fucking the whole nutrients on that side. Fuck, bro. So I gotta fucking eat organically here from here. That's pretty dope, I guess. Fuck, man. I feel like a fucking deckhead. Fucking Nature Boy, bro. Fucking, I'm laughing at him. No, not laughing at him. I don't even like that, but I don't know, bro. Maybe it's just my perception, the way I view it. So take this with a grain of salt, I guess. But I feel like he fucking like I was fucking moving chess pieces, and he just fucking got me in a checkmate, and just like, and just basically told me, nigga, you ain't shit. The fuck you doing? Pick up your shit and come on, let's go. Show you the way. Stop bullshit. Come on. But he did it so like in a friendly way, like in a fucking like. It's alright, come on, it's alright. I know, come on, it's alright. He did say there's nothing but yourself, me, It's nothing but me. So I would face myself. I would fucking judge myself on the shit that, I mean, what I've done now. I mean, I guess I'm growing, I'm learning, I'm still fucking, still fucking, trying my best to, grow and like, just venting my mind. That knowledge, bro, it just made sense. It just made, like, the words were real. Like, there were glasses. I was like, oh shit, this is what this reality is about. This is why I keep waking up. Oh, fuck.